At Tessell, much like any other organization, we've amassed a substantial amount of content across various mediums, including blogs, technical documents, and FAQs. However, managing this plethora of information presents a common challenge, particularly for new team members or users who are trying to navigate through it all. To address this challenge, we decided to develop an internal tool for content consumption in a Q&A format. Thus, Tessell GPT was born. It's a custom LLM app built using Tessell's own managed service for Milvus. So how did we go about doing it? Here's a breakdown of how we brought Tessell GPT to life. Tessell GPT consists of three major parts: generating vector embeddings for content using OpenAI APIs, storing vector embeddings, and retrieving embeddings from vector database to augment LLM generation. We began by scraping content from Tessell's public and private content library, including blogs, FAQs, KBs, and technical guides, to build the foundational dataset. We used a custom-built content scraper developed with Beautiful Soup for this. Once the data was collected, it was stored in CSV files. Then we proceeded to tokenize the information and generate embeddings using OpenAI APIs. With our embeddings ready, we set up a Milvus cluster to efficiently store and manage the embeddings. Tessell's own managed service for Milvus was utilized for this purpose. After configuring the database and creating an appropriate collection for storing embeddings and metadata, we populated the database with the generated vectors. Tessell GPT's functionality hinges on its ability to leverage stored embeddings for LLM generation. When a user submits a query, we craft an embedding vector tailored to the user's question. Then we conduct a vector similarity search using Milvus to identify the most relevant embeddings. The retrieved context is then provided to our OpenAI model, enriching its responses with contextual insights. Having assembled the components, we packaged the whole code as a REST API and deployed it on AWS. This forms the backend of Tessell GPT. Additionally, to enhance user experience, we developed a user-friendly HTML/JS interface, allowing seamless interaction with Tessell GPT. And that's it. So, are you curious to learn more about Tessell? Or have any questions about our offerings? Try Tessell GPT firsthand at gpt.tessell.com.